Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, introduce my name is Ika Damayanti.
My name is Tamalia Sarah.
My name is Mida Hamila.
In this video, you will practice listening through poetry.
Listening through poetry. Every day we communicate through sound and listening. But what actually does listening mean? Listening is a very important communication skill in everyday life. It is not just a process of hearing words, but also involves receiving, interpreting, and responding to spoken message. Listening allows us to understand the intonation, emotion, and nuance that the other person is trying to convey. In communicating with others, whether in personal, academic, or professional conversation, we need to really listen. This skill is the basis for interaction effectively and build good relationship with others. For this reason, listening is skill need to be practiced on a daily basis so that we can respond properly and with empathy. In this video, you will practice listening through a literary work, namely poetry. Listening to poetry not only help us to understand the language, but also interpreting the meaning content in it, including the double meanings that poets often use to convey deeper and more complex message.
I will explain the background of the poem. Still Arise by Maya Angelou is a poem about strength and confidence. Angelou wrote it to show how, despite all the struggles and unfair treatment faced by black people, especially black women, they keep rising up and staying strong. In the poem, Angelou speaks to those who try to put her down, saying that no matter what they do, she will keep rising with pride, self-love, and resilience. She repeats the phrases, "Arise," to show that nothing can stop her, no matter how hard things get. Through this poem, Angelou tells us to be proud of who we are and to keep going, even when others don't believe in us or try to keep us down. It's a powerful message about believing in yourself and never giving up.
Next is the exercise. Listen carefully and answer the blank. Good luck!
You might write me down in history. With you bitter twisted lies. You might trod me in the very dirt. But still like dust, I'll rise.
Does my sadness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? Cause I walk like I've got oil wheels. Pumping in my living room.
Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides. just like hope springing high. Still, I'll rise.
We will explain the double meaning in poem Still I'll Rise. But before that, you need to know what double meaning is. So, double meaning or ambiguity occurs when a language expression can be interpreted in different ways. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, ambiguity is a situation where a word or sentence has more than one meaning, which can lead to errors in communication. Jadi, makna ganda atau ambiguitas terjadi ketika sebuah ekspresi bahasa dapat ditafsirkan dengan cara yang berbeda. Menurut Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia atau KBBI, ambiguitas adalah suatu keadaan di mana sebuah kata atau kalimat memiliki lebih dari satu arti yang dapat menyebabkan terjadinya kesalahan dalam komunikasi. The first is, you might write me down in the history with your bitter twisted lies. The meaning, write me down, means to record her name in history, but it can also mean to write lies about her. It shows how others can demand or change the truth about her. Write me down berarti mencatat namanya dalam sejarah. Bisa juga berarti menulis kebohongan tentang dirinya. Ini menunjukkan bagaimana orang lain bisa merendahkan atau mengubah kebenaran tentang dirinya. Secondly, but still like a dust, I'll rise. Meaning of dust can mean something small and insignificant, however, dust also denotes resilience. Even if pressed down, dust will always repair. It depies a spirit that never dies. Kata dust atau debu bisa berarti sesuatu yang kecil dan tidak penting. Namun, debu juga menunjukkan ketahanan. Meskipun ditekan, debu akan selalu muncul kembali. Ini menggambarkan semangat yang tidak pernah padam. The third is arise. The meaning of arise, to rise or stand up again. It also means having the strength and courage to keep going despite the challenge. Frasa arise berarti bangkit atau berdiri kembali. Berarti memiliki kekuatan dan keberanian untuk terus maju meskipun menghadapi banyak tantangan.
4. Does my sassiness upset you? Sassiness can refer to boldness or assertiveness, often perceived negatively. But in Angelo context, it also reflects the unapologetic pride and self-respect that she embraces as a black woman. This pride becomes a quiet act of defiance. Sassiness berarti keberanian yang dianggap tidak sopan, sering dianggap negatif. Maya Angelou menyiratkan kebanggaan pada dirinya sebagai perempuan kulit hitam yang tidak akan merasa malu. Dan kebanggaan ini adalah bentuk perlawanan terhadap penilaian negatif. 5. Did you want to see me broken? Both head and lower eyes. Broken can mean emotionally crushed or defeated, but it also implies physical harm or a sense of being broken down. It reflects the duality of oppression, both physical and psychological attempts to subjugate the speaker. Kata broken memiliki makna ganda, bisa berarti secara emosional hancur atau secara fisik dihancurkan. Ini menunjukkan upaya menekan secara fisik dan psikologis yang tidak akan mematahkan semangatnya. 6. Does my haughtiness offend you? Haughtiness can mean arrogance or pride, a term often used pejoratively to critique those who are too confident. Here it has a double meaning. It is both the speaker's self-respect and the way society might unfairly interpret her confidence as arrogance. Haughtiness biasanya berarti kesombongan atau kebanggaan yang sering kali dianggap negatif. Tetapi di sini juga sebagai penghargaan terhadap dirinya sendiri, yang mungkin dianggap orang lain sebagai keangkuhan.
7. I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide. Black Ocean symbolizes her identity as a black woman and her vast, powerful spirit. The ocean unstable nature represents resilience and strength. Black Ocean melambangkan identitasnya sebagai wanita kulit hitam dan jiwanya yang luas serta kuat. Lautan ini mencerminkan ketangguhan yang tak terbendung. 8. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear. Nights of terror and fear refers to traumatic experience, both personal and collective. I Rise shows her strength in overcoming death's hardships. Nights of terror and fear mengacu pada pengalaman traumatis, baik pribadi maupun kolektif. I Rise menunjukkan kekuatannya untuk bangkit dari masa-masa sulit ini. 9th, I dance like I've got diamonds. Diamonds represents beauty and self-worth, while meeting of my Nikes adds sensual pride, emphasizing her confidence as a woman. Diamonds melambangkan keindahan dan harga diri, sedangkan meeting of my Nikes menambahkan kebanggaan sensual, menegaskan kepercayaan dirinya sebagai perempuan. 10th, out of the hearts of historic shams, I Rise. Hearts of historic shams reflects a history of oppression and humiliation. I Rise indicates her determination of reclaim dignity and break free from this past. Hearts of Historic Shams menggambarkan sejarah penindasan dan penghinaan. I Rise menyiratkan tekadnya untuk merebut kembali martabat dan bebas dari masa lalu yang kelam. 11. Bringing the gift that my ancestors gave. Give refer to ancestral strength, courage, and wisdom. By saying she's the dream and hope, she honors her ancestors' aspiration and represents their dream fulfilled. Gift atau hadiah leluhur adalah kekuatan, keberanian, dan kebijaksanaan dengan menyebut dirinya dream and hope. Dia menghormati cita-cita leluhur dan menjadi wujud mimpi mereka yang tercapai. Now, we come to the conclusion. In studying the poem Still I Rise, we learn about the power of resilience and self-pride despite challenge. The poem also highlights double meaning, where words like broken, haughtiness, and black ocean carry multiple layers of meaning. These layers deepen the poem message, encouraging us to rise, value ourselves, and stay strong despite adversity. Exploring double meaning shows how language and communicate complex and powerful ideas. Kesimpulannya, dalam mempelajari puisi Still I Rise, kita belajar tentang kekuatan, ketahanan, dan kebanggaan diri meskipun menghadapi tantangan. Puisi ini juga menonjolkan double meaning, di mana kata-kata seperti broken, haughtiness, and black ocean memiliki makna yang lebih dari satu. Lapisan makna ini memperdalam pesan puisi yang mendorong kita untuk bangkit, menghargai diri, dan tetap kuat meskipun menghadapi kesulitan. Dengan mengeksplorasi double meaning, kita melihat bagaimana bahasa
If you think the activity was fun, let me know in the comment section.
We have heard the background of the poem Still I Rise. You have also filled in the exercise and now the double meaning in the poem Still I Rise. Hopefully, what we teach you can receive well.
Maybe that's all from us. Please apologize if there are wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.